we'll guide you through how to sign up and make a Roblox account. You can follow this on a phone, a tablet, a computer, it doesn't matter. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So in order to go and use Roblox, you need to have an account. So we'll guide you through how you can create one. So you can go and get the Roblox app from your phone store or your computer store or your tablet store, but you can also use the Roblox site as well. You can then tap create account and we can get started. So enter in your birthday. You can then confirm your birthday and you can go and enter in a username. Don't use a real one and this has to be unique. Once you've found a username, it's optional to pick your gender and you can go and press continue. Now what I need to do is go and create a password. Make sure it's one you remember as you'll need it to sign into your account. There are some requirements there and you can then press done. And that's it. We've now gone and made the account and we can start playing Roblox. To go and secure your account, you can press more in the bottom right, scroll down and find the option for settings, then account info, and what you can do is go and add a phone or email to recover your account if needed.